you, Sean. Thank you, Wendy. And I beg your indulgence because, yes, as many of you know, I got sick. And I think it's because I have been too sweet. I had sugar issues. And one of my doctors said, you know, Rose, it's easy to get diabetes, especially if it's not your fault. And you know why it's not my fault? It's inherited. So just be careful. Good evening, our esteemed members of the Hotel Sales and Marketing Association, distinguished guests, valued partners, colleagues, and friends. And earlier, we met the judges, but I always maintain no judges, no virtues. Shall we give them a really nice round of applause? They do it because they believe in virtues, in our main reason for this virtues, in excellence, in improving the hotel industry through the main players, the sales and marketing department. Sorry, I always tell all my hotels, without sales and marketing, you have no guests. So you front office, you're very proud if it's full occupancy. Parang, sa inyo galing yan? And then, when it's low occupancy, everyone looks at sales. My God, so I devised a seminar, everyone a salesman. Whether you are the general manager who lead us, GM, you can tell your GM, you attend the American Chamber of Commerce, we have clients there. And then you introduce us to who you meet. So we come highly endorsed, imagine, it's your GM endorsing to the GM of another American company, you know. And all the way down to the lowliest laundry ironer or whatever, I say, whatever it is that you do and you deliver their clothes well pressed, nice, clean, fragrant, you have earned that customer. That's yours now, it's no longer ours. Once they reach the hotel, our job is done. It's up to the service departments to take over and turn them into repeat guests. Your repeat guests are very valuable because it's not only themselves. They bring their families next time. They talk about, when people ask, why do you always use that hotel? Oh, they have good service. And I like my sales person. He or she responds to my problems. Because you're not selling. You are solution providers. You have to find out what is the problem of your customer. But some of them, there's a big meeting coming into town. They need more rooms, function rooms. They need the menus. Those are all their problems. You have to solve their problems. Anyway, just to continue. As the Virtues Awards enters its 11th year, we gather once again to celebrate the very best in sales and marketing within the Philippine hospitality industry. Tonight, we recognize not only individual excellence, but also the collective strength of an industry that continues to demonstrate successful collaboration amidst unheard of challenges, demonstrating unwavering commitment to service. This year's theme, Paths and Bridges, is both timely and meaningful. It speaks of how far we have come and how much farther we can go when we choose to walk together. The theme reminds us that progress is built not on isolated achievements, but on shared vision, collaboration, and the ability to connect people, ideas, opportunities across boundaries. In the past decade, the Virtus Awards has evolved from a pioneering concept into one of the most respected programs in the Philippine tourism and hospitality landscape. Please thank HSMA for this. What began as a bold initiative by the Hotel Sales and Marketing Association has become a hallmark of excellence, a platform that elevates professional standards, and a community that continually nurtures and celebrates talent. Virtus has always been more than an annual competition. It has evolved to become a movement, a continuing commitment to champion those who embody the highest ideals of our industry: professionalism, innovation, integrity, and service. Through the years, it has shone a light on individuals who redefine leadership and creativity in an increasingly dynamic and unstable market. Each nominee and awardee is a reflection of what our industry stands for: a blend of passion, perseverance, and purpose that drives hospitality forward. As we celebrate this 11th edition, we are reminded that our success as an industry is not built by chance, but by choice. It is the result of partnerships forged, of trusts earned, and of bridges built between organizations, clients, and communities. It is sustained by leaders who mentor others, by teams that collaborate selflessly, and by institutions like HSMA that uphold the standards of excellence that keep our industry world-class. The Virtus Awards honors those who see beyond the ordinary, those who create possibilities where others see limitations, and who inspire progress through vision and action. These are the men and women who continue to strengthen the foundation upon which Philippine tourism and hospitality stand. As we look to the future, may we remain steadfast in our mission to uplift our profession, to innovate fearlessly, and to lead with integrity. Let us continue to build paths that empower others to follow, and bridges that connect us to a world of new opportunities. Together, we ensure that the legacy of Virtus and that of HSMA remains one of excellence, collaboration, and enduring pride in the Filipino spirit of hospitality. May I congratulate Margie Monsayak, who unfortunately is still in an overseas mission. All the HSMA board led by Lolet So. Thank you, Lolet, for tonight. Well done. And Archie, our director, everything, coordinator. Thank you, Archie. Thank you and congratulations to all our Virtus nominees and awardees. May your accomplishments continue to shine and inspire us all. Many thanks to Okada Manila for hosting this year's Virtus Award. Thank you. Excellent and delicious, I must say. Okada, through the very able and glamorous Shelo Ortega Robredo, VP Marketing for Sales and Entertainment. Is that it? I'm sorry, Shelo. Haba ng title mo. She does everything. Thank you very much. She, upon learning that we were looking for a venue, bilis! Okada! Wow! Tapos, libre pa ang entertainment. That's the award-winning Wicopa. Sabi ko, saan pa tayo? Diyan na tayo. Kay Shelo tayo. Thank you, Shelo. Thank you very much. And Okada honors us, honors the Virtus and HSMA by this gesture. Isa na lang. Sorry. I ask your indulgence as I point out my supportive family who has joined me for the first time to just, as my son-in-law said, he just wanted to see me in action. Are you okay, Sean? Sean Ang, married to my daughter, Aya Ang. One is a contractor, siyempre mag-advertise ako. One is a contractor and the wife is an interior designer. Allow me to be among the first also to greet you a happy Christmas and a beautiful, amazing New Year for you and your families. Thank you for joining us tonight.
Thank you, Ms. Rose, for your leadership and those profoundly encouraging words.